What's going on, guys? Here we got a 2006 GM Sierra, same as a Chevy Silverado. All your 1500, 2500, 3500s. If you're having headlight issues where the switch is not turning them on, nor your fog lights are working, you checked all your fuses and everything is good, these do go out. Here I ordered some new ones from Amazon, roughly about 50 bucks. Came in real fast. Look all original, aftermarkets of course, but easy installation. Swap. Take off your bezel, put your key forward, drop this down all the way to drive. This comes out just by pulling on it little by little. Boom, 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 boom. Snaps off. The whole deal is off. Get you a flathead or a little L screwdriver. Not sure what it's called, but it's got no screws, no nothing. Everything is snap in place. It's got one up there. Just pry it open. It's got two down here. This one has one also on top and the bottom. Just stick this bad boy in there, bloop, bloop, and they will come right on out. And then you just plug and play, push them in. You hear that? Done deal. Pop your bezel back on. You will have working parking lights, headlights, fog lights, back like it should. Like and subscribe.